The latest episode of Bahar, episode 8, has left viewer on the edge of their seats with its intense drama and unexpected twists. The show, which stars Demet Evgar, Buğra Gülsoy, and Mehmet Yılmaz Ak, follows the story of Bahar as she uncovers dark secrets within her seemingly perfect family. In this episode, Parla, played by Ecem Özkaya, is devastated by the news of Rengin's accident, despite not initially believing Selim's words. Bahar, played by Demet Evgar, becomes increasingly suspicious of Timur, portrayed by Mehmet Yılmaz Ak, as she witnesses his concern for Rengin at the hospital. As Bahar supports Parla and connects with her, she also prepares to confront Timur about her suspicions. Meanwhile, Evren, played by Buğra Gülsoy, forms a close bond with Parla and reveals a secret from his past. This bond between Evren and Parla adds another layer of complexity to the story, as Timur struggles to keep everything balanced but ultimately fails. The arrival of an unexpected guest further shakes up the dynamics within the family, putting Bahar in great danger. The talented cast of Bahar, including Demet Evgar, Buğra Gülsoy, and Mehmet Yılmaz Ak, deliver powerful performances that keep viewer engaged and invested in the storyline. The show offers a mix of tragedy and comedy, as Bahar navigates through the challenges and obstacles that come her way. Bahar, Uyanmaya Hazır Mısın? Airs every Tuesday at 8 p.m. on Show TV, providing audiences with a thrilling and emotional viewing experience. With its gripping storyline and compelling characters, Bahar continues to captivate viewers and keep them eagerly anticipating each new episode. Thank you for watching our review of the 19th episode of Kudus Fatihi Selahadin Yubi by ETV Facts. We hope you enjoyed our analysis with English and Urdu subtitles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next video.